Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're talking about blocksbonus.net, another site you might see in Discord messages or YouTube comments promising free Robux, big amounts like thousands of Robux for doing simple tasks. It uses flashy text and big numbers to lure people in, often making it look like an official giveaway or tool to get free in-game currency. But here's the truth. This site is a classic Robux scam setup. The domain is brand new and pops up with minimal legitimacy, and as soon as you enter a username, it pushes you into a loop of surveys, installs, and ad clicks that never actually give you any Robux. Those endless verification steps exist to make money for the operators, not to deliver free currency, and no actual reward ever arrives. Offers like this are outside what Roblox officially allows, and third-party free Robux websites are almost always traps designed to harvest data or generate ad revenue. So is blocksbonus.net safe for legit? Based on how these sites work and the way they lure players with promises that can't be fulfilled, this is a scam and something you should avoid. If you see links like this in DMs or comments, don't click them. Don't enter your username or password, and remember that the only safe way to get Robux is directly through Roblox's official channels. Protect your accounts and don't fall for the hype.